In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hopefully, you all are doing well. I am your English teacher, and today is Monday. The date is April 26, 2021. And today you have an English lecture. And in English class, before starting your work, you must have your eraser, your sharpener, and your sharp pencil like this. Before starting your work, your pencil must be sharp, that your work will be neat and tidy. Now, today's our topic is vowels, and vowel you have learned in nursery class. How many vowels are there? Yes, there are 5 vowels. In your one hand, there are 5 fingers, and now count with me the vowels A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. So in our previous lecture number 2, we have learnt about the formation lines of English book, and that was the 4 lines, and each have the separate name, and the name was skyline, root line, skyline, grass line, root line, and end line. So these were the different in English alphabets. We have made the 3 groups of the letters, and the 3 groups letters name were skyline, sky letters, grass letters, and root letters. And I hope that you have practiced in your rough copies as well. So open your book, page number 8. First of all, we will start our reading. Okay, my dear students, here is your book, page number 8, and our topic is read vowels. Here is vowel, a beautiful pink color flower, and flower has the 5 petals, and in each petal there is a letter of vowels. Okay, so first letter of the vowel is A, second one is E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 letters, and these are called vowels. So read these letters 4 to 5 times with yourself. Now come towards the writing of your notebook. So open your notebook. Okay, my dear students, here is your English practice notebook. So open your book, page number 12. On notebook page number 12, first of all write down the date, and the date is, first of all you will write the spelling of the month. The month is April, and the spelling of the month is A-P-R-I-L, April. I will zoom this spelling, then you will easily see that A-P-R-I-L, April. The date is 26 and the year is 2021. Okay, here is a beautiful star. I have colored the green in this star. Now this book page is looking very beautiful, so you can also do the colors. Then you can keep your notebook neat and colorful. So here is the different pictures that their name start from vowels. Here are total 5 pictures, 1 2 3 4 5, and these pictures, their name start from the vowel letters. So the first picture is, you can easily understand that the first picture is ant. एंट कहते हैं चुंटी को, छोटी सी कीड़ी को जो कि ज़मीन पे रेंगती है. सो द एंट नेम स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेटर ए, and I will write here the letter A in the middle 2 lines, and these are called the grass and the root line. So make a C, and after that turn like this. This is A, ant. After that come towards E. So which picture start from letter E? Egg, igloo, umbrella, or ostrich? Which picture start? Yes, egg. Egg start from letter E. So we will also again write here E in the middle of 2 lines. These are the grass and the root line E. Okay, so you have to write down here neat, make a small c, and then here is curve line. Okay, after that AEI. So here is a picture, and you can easily name this picture. That what is the name of this picture? Yes, here is an igloo. Igloo कहते हैं एक जैसे जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा बर्फ़बारी होती है, वहाँ पर स्नो फॉलिंग होती है, तो ऐसे घर जो है वहाँ पर छोटे छोटे बने होते हैं. ठीक है, इग्लू अक्सर आपने माउंटेन एरिया में देखा होगा, जहाँ पर बहुत पहाड़ों पे जो है इस तरह बर्फ़बारी अगर होती है तो ऐसे छोटे से झोंपड़ी नुमा घर बनाए जाते हैं. ठीक है, इसको इग्लू कहा जाता है. सो एन इग्लू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आई. सो जस्ट स्ट्रेट वन आई. ओके, here is I. The fourth picture is ostrich and umbrella. So sequentially we will write A, E, I, O. What is this? Here is hen? No. Here is a duck? No. Here is a sparrow? No. The name of this पिक्चर इज़ ऑस्ट्रिच. ऑस्ट्रिच उर्दू में कहते हैं शुतुरमुर्ग को. ठीक है, ये जो है मुर्गी की तरह दिखता है, बट इसकी जो नेक है, गर्दन है, वो थोड़ी सी लॉन्ग होती है. सो ऑस्ट्रिच स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेटर ओ, एंड द लास्ट पिक्चर इज़ अम्ब्रेला. अम्ब्रेला स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेटर यू. सो दीज आर नाउ completed the 5 letters of the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now come towards your homework. Okay dear students, your homework page number is 13. Again write down here the date April 26, 2021, and on the top on this star page you have to write down C.W, that classwork, and H.W, that your homework. So let's read the question, that what is in your first that what is the homework question. Okay, write 3-letter words with a vowel. 3-letter words. Now count these letters. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3. These are total 3 letters. So that's why these letters are called, this word is called 3-letter words. जो भी वर्ड 3 लेटर्स से जो है बनता है मिलकर, उसको जो है 3-letter वर्ड्स कहा जाता है. अब 3-letter वर्ड्स आपने लिखने हैं, प्रैक्टिस करनी है, बट आपने जो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट लेटर जो वॉवल ए का लिखा था, इन सब 4 वर्ड 3-letter वर्ड्स में मिड में जो है वो लेटर ए आएगा. एंड आई हैव कलर्ड दिस लेटर ए विच इज़ दैट इज़ द वॉवल, एंड यू कैन सी दैट फर्स्ट और लास्ट जो है लेटर्स सब में तकरीबन डिफरेंट हैं, बट जो मिडल वाला लेटर है वो सब में सेम है, एंड दैट इज़ वॉवल ए. हियर इज़ आल्सो वॉवल ए. Again here is vowel A, and here is vowel A. So what you have to do, you have to write down in and do the practice 4 times. Okay, so the first word is CAT. cat. CAT is cat. अब इसको हम फोनेटिकल उसमें पढ़ेंगे तो हमारे पास सी की जो साउंड है वो ख है. सी ख अ ट कैट. इस तरह आपकी रीडिंग भी जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगी. सो राइट, फर्स्ट आई विल राइट फॉर यू, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू डू विथ योर सेल्फ. ओके, सो टी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्काई लाइन. ख अ ट कैट. नाउ कैट कहते हैं बिल्ली को. द सेकेंड वर्ड इज बैट. ब अ ट बैट. बैट कहते हैं जो क्रिकेट का बैट होता है जिससे आप खेलते हैं. ठीक है, उसको बैट कहा जाता है. द थर्ड वर्ड इज, अगेन हियर इज The third is same, cat and the bat. These are the two words. Repeated it again. So you have to do the practice again and again. Okay, dear students, so complete your home task neatly and tidily. I hope that you will practice the more and take care of yourself. I will come inshallah with the next video. So take care of yourself.